is up? I am back blogging again. I have been gone for a while because I had started my new job, which has been working me 70 plus hours a week, Monday through Saturday, and sometimes a lot of Sundays. And I've also been saving up and working hard towards a new car, which you guys saw in the beginning, which I will be doing like kind of a review slash just showing you guys about the car. I'm on my way to Winco, and I have some other running around to do. I'm gonna bring you guys along. It's gonna be kind of a boring video this time. I just wanted to make a video to tell you guys that I'm back and to get back into it and editing and making content and all that fun stuff. We'll be making a new gear bag video probably either Saturday night or whenever, probably throughout the week. So look forward for that. It's gonna be a separate video, and I'll probably post it up Sunday. And also Sunday I'll be with Brad, and we will be out at either SC or ASG, and I'm gonna get some awesome gameplay footage for you guys, and I'm gonna be vlogging. We're both gonna be vlogging, so look forward for that.
I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Hold up, I'm just stunting on my ex, bitch. I'm just flexing on my ex, bitch. Fuck a wedding ring, I bought a necklace. Diamonds got the flu, try not to catch this. I left that hoe alone cause she was ratchet. All these bitches salty, they can't stand. Flexing on that bitch, hold up, flexing on that bitch. Bought a necklace on that